Hi everybody, my name is Miss Rebekah and I'm going to be filling in for Tori for this activity. We're going to learn how to make reindeer food. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some oats, you're going to need some sugar, and you're going to need very colorful sprinkles and a bowl. Alright, so you're going to take your oats and you're going to put a half cup of oats into your bowl. You may want your parents to help you with this. All right, pour it in there and try not to spill. I know it's hard. All right, and then you're gonna want to take your fourth cup and you want to put a fourth cup of sugar into the bowl. Reindeer really like sugar, and so do I. All right, and the fun part, we're gonna add a spoonful of sprinkles. Now it can be a little bit more than a spoonful if you want. I'm gonna add a spoonful. All right, now we're gonna add a spoonful of sprinkles. Okay, and if you want, you can take your spoon and mix it, or if your bowl has a lid, you can shake it and make sure it's closed very tightly so you're not spilling anything. Alrighty, and there you have it. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to sprinkle it on the lawn at night. The moon will make it sparkle bright. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this treat will guide them to your home. So make sure to put this out on December 24th, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye!